Watch to the end to see how I make a diamond painting pen on my wood lathe. This is an electric pen for diamond art. Let's get this thing out and see what it does. So they put some samples in. These are the little drills. Oh, we have a little butterfly that we can try. There's different colors. They put them in different pouches in a tray. Cable, the pen, and different tips. So we turn it on. The blue light lights up. Diamond art is where they take these little plastic gems called drills or drillings, and they place them on some object or color by numbers poster and cover it with these. It's really kind of neat. One of those satisfying projects that people like to do. If you're into more traditional diamond painting, message me on Instagram and we can talk about a custom made pen like we're going to see here.